What if I told you that one thing has the power to bring people together and even change the world? This one thing is love. Think about it. Love can turn enemies into friends. It can give people the strength to fight through the hardest times. It can make an ordinary life feel extraordinary. But here is the real question. Do we truly understand love? Why does love make us feel so powerful? And how can we use the power of love to live a better, happier life? Okay, imagine a world without love. No warm hugs, no kind words, no one to care for you. Scary, right? Now, imagine the opposite world full of love. A world where someone believes in you, supports you, and never gives up on you. A world where love gives you the strength to keep going, even when life gets tough. This is the power of love. Now, imagine a little boy standing alone in a big crowd. He is scared. He is crying. People walk and ignore him. No one stops. No one helps. But then, a kind woman sees him. She walks to him, gives him a warm hug, and holds his hand. At that moment, everything changes. This is love. Love is not just a feeling. Love is powerful. It can turn fear into hope. It can turn sadness into happiness. It can turn strangers into family. But do we really understand love? What makes love so strong? And how can we bring more love into our lives? That is what we will learn today. And while you learn about the power of love, you will also improve your English. So stay with me until the end, because this lesson can change your life. Part 1. What is love? Love is a word we hear every day. People say, I love my family. They say, I love my friends. Some even say, I love my phone. But what is love? Is love just a feeling? Is it just a word? Or is it something much bigger? Love is not just about saying, I love you. Love is action. Think about this. If someone tells you, I care about you, but never helps you, is that real love? If a friend says, you are important to me, but never listens to you, is that true friendship? Love is not only words, it is what we do. Love means caring, even when it is difficult. Love means helping, even when you are tired. Love means staying, even when things are not perfect. Now, imagine a mother and her baby. The baby cries in the middle of the night. The mother is exhausted, but she wakes up every time. She feeds the baby, holds the baby, and keeps the baby warm. Why does she do this? Because she loves her child. This is love. Love is not always easy, but it is always strong. Love is not always fun, but it is always important. Some people think love is only for big moments, birthdays, weddings, special days, but love is in the small things, too. A smile, a kind word, a helping hand, a warm hug, even a simple thank you can show love. Even listening when someone is sad can show love. Love is everywhere, but not everyone sees it. Love is powerful, but not everyone understands it. In the next part, we will learn how love can change your life and make you happier than ever before. Part 2. Love can change your life. Think about this. Imagine two people. One person wakes up alone every day. No one asks how he feels. No one waits for him. No one smiles at him. He goes to work, eats, sleeps, and repeats. Now, imagine another person when he wakes up. Someone smiles at him and says, "Good morning." When he feels sad, someone listens and says, "I am here for you." When he is tired, someone helps him and says, "Let me do this for you." Who do you think is happier? The answer is simple: the person who feels love. Love is not just about romance. Love is in friendship. Love is in family. Love is in kindness to strangers. Think about a lonely old man sitting on a bench. People walk past him. But one child stops and says, "Hello." That one word changes his whole day. That is the power of love. Love can make a sad heart feel light. Love can make a tired person feel strong. Love can turn a bad day into a good one. But here is something even more powerful. Love is not just about receiving. Love is about giving. The more love you give, the more love comes back to you, the more kindness you show, the more happiness you feel. So, how can you bring more love into your life? That is what we will learn in Part 3. Part 3: How to bring more love into your life. Everyone wants love. Everyone needs love. But here is a secret: love does not just happen. You have to create it. So, how can you bring more love into your life? Here are 3 simple ways. 1. Give love first. Many people wait for love. They say, "I will be kind if someone is kind to me. I will help if someone helps me." But real love starts with you. Smile first. Say kind words first. Help first. The more love you give, the more love comes back to you. 2. Listen with your heart. Most people hear others, but they do not listen. When someone talks, they think about their own words, not the other person's feelings. But true love means listening with your heart. When your friend is sad, listen. When your family member is worried, listen. When someone shares their dreams, listen. When people feel heard, they feel loved. 3. Show love in small ways. Love is not just about big moments. It is in the little things. A hug when someone is sad. A text message that says, "I am thinking of you." A small gift, even if it is just a flower or a piece of chocolate. These small things make a big difference. When you start giving love, you will see something amazing. Love will start coming back to you. In Part 4, we will learn about the biggest mistake people make in loving. How to avoid it. Part 4: The biggest mistake people make in love. Love is beautiful. Love is powerful. But sometimes, people lose love because of one big mistake. What is it? It is taking love for granted. Think about this. At the beginning of a relationship, people say, "I love you. You are special to me. I am so lucky to have you." They give hugs, smiles, and kind words every day. But over time, something changes. They stop saying, "I love you." They stop showing care. They stop appreciating the little things. Slowly, love fades. Not because it is gone, but because they forgot to nurture it. Imagine a plant. If you water it every day, it grows. If you forget to water it, it dies. Love is the same. If you do not appreciate the people in your life, they start to feel unimportant. If you do not show care, they start to feel unloved. That is why you must never stop showing love. Even after 10 years of marriage, say, I love you. Even after 20 years of friendship, say, I appreciate you. Even after 30 years with family, say, thank you for being here. Because love is not about time, it is about effort. And when you make love a daily habit, it grows stronger every day. In Part 5, we will learn how to make love last forever. Part 5. How to make love last forever. Many people fall in love, but not everyone stays in love. Why? Because they forget one important thing. Love is not just a feeling. Love is a choice. Feelings change. Some days you feel happy. Some days you feel tired. Some days you feel frustrated. But real love is choosing to stay kind, patient, and caring, and on the hard days. So, how can you make love last forever? Here are 3 powerful secrets. 1. Keep doing the small things. Love is not about big moments. Sit is about small, daily actions. A morning smile. A simple, how was your day? A hug before bed. These little things keep love strong. 2. Never stop growing together. Many couples and friends grow apart because they stop learning together. Try new things together. Read books, learn new skills, travel, or take on new challenges. When you grow together, love stays exciting. 3. Forgive quickly, love deeply. No one is perfect. Everyone makes mistakes. If you hold on to anger, love becomes weak. If you forgive and focus on the good, love becomes stronger. Remember, love is not about winning an argument. Love is about understanding and supporting each other. The happiest relationships are not perfect. They are made of 2 people who never give up on each other. Now, in Part 6, we will discover the true meaning of love and why it is the most powerful force in the world. Part 6. The true meaning of love. Love is not just words. It is not just feelings. Love is what you do every single day. Real love is giving without expecting. It is staying when things are hard. It is choosing to see the good, even when it is easier to see the bad. Love is stronger than anger. It is greater than mistakes. It is the one thing in this world that never gets smaller when you share it. Think about the people in your life. Your family, your friends, your partner. Have you told them how much they mean to you? Have you shown them? Because in the end, love is not about how many years you have together. It is about how much love you give in those years. So today, do something simple but powerful. Send a message to someone you love. Tell them, I appreciate you. Tell them, you are important to me. Tell them, I am grateful for you. Because love is not something to wait for. It is something you create every single day. And the more you give, the more your heart will be full of love forever. Now, before you go, remember, you are not just learning about love today. You are also learning English. Every time you listen, every time you read, every time you understand a new word, you are getting better and better. So, keep going, keep learning, and keep spreading love and kindness in the world.